Hello, welcome back. All right, in this video we're going to do a right side cutoff. This is an 8 count with 2 variations, yes? Right side cutoff. Here we go. Start with this one hand connection, and we're going to give 2 little preps, right, left. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Nicely done. Let's take it over from this angle. Ready? And 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Nice. Let's take it from this angle. Ready? And 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Nicely done. All right. That is option number 1. Okay. Now number 2 is basically we're going to rotate her a little early and walk her back on those 2 counts. All right. Ready? And 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. See how that worked? Okay? So we'll do that again from over here. Okay? Ready? And 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Nice. All right. Again, guys, you're initiating this walk. Ready? And 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Now you notice how I went back into the track to get her to do a walk. This is not a pushing step like you think she's a grocery buggy, okay? Now, if you want more information, go to your Private Lesson Style videos for that, but just a hint is just to move yourself and guide her. She does the rest, okay?
And for us, it's completely leadable and followable on our side. We don't know what's coming, and so he really talks about that in the Private Lesson Style videos and how to know the difference.
And one little thing to tell you, positioning is everything, okay? So keep that in mind. So go have fun, practice this, keep breathing, okay? All right? Practice, 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 and then come on back for your next pattern.